Hi, we are going to see differentiation of cos square root of sine tan by x. This sum is the best example of chain rule. Here how many chains? Actually cos x, then the first chain square root is coming, then sine coming, then tan coming, then pi x coming. So there are 5 chains attached with this one. Before that, I just go to the differentiation formulas. For example, kx means k. Differentiation tan x secant squared x. Sin x, what is the difference of sin x? Everyone knows. Cos x. X power n, nx to the power of n minus 1. Cos x minus sin x. This is a y, this is a differentiation. Okay. Now we will go step by step. Before that, I will first come here. Pi x, if you differentiate, what will come? Pi only. Tan pi x, if you differentiate secant squared pi x, then one chain pi. Okay. Then sin tan pi x. Sin tan pi x is equal to, what is sin x differentiation? Cos x. Instead of x, we are going to put tan pi x. Cos tan pi x. Then this tan x we are differentiating. Tan x we are differentiating secant square pi x. Then pi x we are differentiating pi. So the fourth one is sin tan pi x. This is nothing but sin tan pi x power of. So what we will do, half x, instead of x, sin tan pi x. Sin tan pi x, half minus 1 is minus half. Then sin tan pi x we have to differentiate. Sin tan pi x is cos tan pi x. Then tan pi x, if you differentiate, secant squared pi x. Then pi x, if you differentiate, pi. Now finally we are coming to the sum. Finally we are coming to the sum. Square root of cos square root of sin tan pi x. Okay. This is nothing but cos sin tan pi x to the power of half. Okay. Now we are going to differentiate one by one. What is the differentiation of cos x? Cos x is minus sin x. Instead of x, I am going to put this one. Sin tan pi x to the power of half. Okay. The first chain starting. Now we have to differentiate this part. How? It is x power n. X power n, how to differentiate? Nx to the power of n minus 1. So half sin tan pi x, n minus 1, half minus 1 is minus half. Okay. Now instead of x, what it is there? Sin tan pi x. Sin tan pi x, sin x if we differentiate, cos x will come. Cos, instead of x, we are putting tan pi x. Okay. Then tan pi x, if you differentiate, secant squared pi x. Then pi x, if you differentiate, pi. Now we can simplify. Here what is the numbers? 1 pi is there, 1 by 2 is there, 1 minus sign is there. So simple we can write minus pi by 2. Then sine square root of sine tan pi x. Then this sine tan pi x power minus of, if it goes to the denominator, it will be plus of. So we can write square root of sine tan pi x. Don't cancel it, this one, this, because it is a sine square root of sine tan pi x. This is a simple square root of sine tan pi x. Then cos tan pi x secant square pi x. That's all. This is the best example of chain rule. See you in the next time.